Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align table to middle in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now I am already open a table. Insert a table and firstly drag and select the table. Then go to the arrange menu. Here you can see here are arrange menu. Now go click the arrange and you can see here are align drop down menu. Now click this and here are many align. Now select middle, again bottom, select middle. Now I'm do this. Now you can see align table to middle in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.